Hey you guys, it's Jinzo here. I'm taking a look at that World Chalice deck that went in first place at YCS. YCS Bochum or whatever the fuck that place is called in the UK. I've already seen his desk and I actually don't like it at all. And I'll show you why. So, back into World Chalice. I'm actually okay with that. Most people play but I'm fine with that one actually. Surprisingly, I actually played 3 of them on my build. Played the rabbit build. Dragon, the Mad Flame, Kaiju. I don't like this. Kaiju aren't really that good right now. There's not really a lot of boss monsters that are hard to deal with right now, so Kaijus aren't really needed. There's just no point in that. 3 Ancient Christian Phoenix, like that's obvious. That's fine. 3 Ash Blossom, I prefer 2, and then 3 Ghost Ogre, but I'm actually okay with 3 Ash Blossoms, and that's it. I can see why, so that's fine. Garnet, why the fuck are you not playing Lasui? Like, Lasui is just so much better. I don't know why he's not playing Lasui. 3 Shine Ball, another Kaiju, Gamma another Kaiju. So he plays 4 Kaijus in the main deck. Gamma I'm actually okay with Gamma in the main. It's something that a lot of Kaiju play. I mean, a lot of World Chalice players actually do play because of that lock you could do with it. So I'm actually okay with the Gamma in the main deck, but the rest of the Kaijus is unnecessary. Garnet over Lasui is retarded. I apologize for that. 3 World Legacy World Chalice, duh, like, that's obvious. Rescue Ferret, what the fuck? Why are you playing Rescue Ferret? This card is god awful. You have to already have no, unless you keep special summoning the link summon, this is pointless, because the cards have to go to card link points to or whatever. So yeah, this card ain't really that good. 2 hell of orange lights. What the fuck? Why are you not playing Ghost Ogre? Like, Ghost Ogre is so much better. Lead the World Chalice, duh, yeah. 1 Eva. That card is god awful. I don't know why the fuck you playing that. And then 1 God Dragon. I could see playing 2. 1 is not enough. But I could see playing 2. I would be okay with that, but that's not necessary. I'm actually kind of okay with Transmodify. I see the logic behind it. It gets you to your Ancient Creation Phoenix faster. I personally don't play it. My voice cracked, I apologize. But I can see the logic on it. Some of the shit I just can't see. Soul Charge, duh. Fortress Burial, duh. Reborn, absolutely, like, duh, you can't play Reborn, this card is dumb. Broken. World Legacy, hard, I can see the logic, but I really just don't care for it. 2 Twin Twister. Again, I can see the logic. It's the hit Bender Magician, but I don't like it in the main. And if I was gonna run any removal, it would be freaking what should we call it? Cosmic Cyclone. I feel like Cosmic Cyclone is better. Also, I just noticed that he's not playing Exodius, which I don't know why he's not playing Exodius. That card is really, really dumb in World Chalice. So 3 Brilliant Fusion, obviously, and then 2 Kaiju Waterfronts. And then he is playing some traps. He plays 1 Phantom Knight of the Shadow, whatever. What the fuck is this? That is such a weird card. Why the fuck are you playing that? It is treated as a level 4, but why not just play a Beckon? The 3rd Beckon. Like, what? Or it'd be better and play Scolding. Since it's your only trap anyway, right? This deck is bad. No idea how it got first. So extra deck, 1 Gemini, Swaphonite, that's fine. Number 41. This is the reason that he played back in over Chosen. I get it. So I'm actually fine with that. 2 Scoldred, no. I actually don't play Scoldred in my build, but if I did, I'd play as a 1-up. Firewall Dragon. Nizui, 2 Nizui, that's way too many. You only need 1. 1 Tigate. I play 2, but I could see the logic of 1. I'm actually fine with that. Autumn, Ib. So 1 Autumn, that's right. 1 Ib. No, you need to play 3 Ib. 1 of these. Why? Why play Binary Sorcerer? They call it that. I mean, it's okay, but it's not that good. 1 Link Fighter, you should be playing 2, and then 3 Imduck. That's obvious. Side deck Auto Christia. A lot of people actually main deck Auto Christia. I used to be in that until I realized that it breaks really bad. 1 Jinzo. What? This fucking side decking Jinzo. That's hilarious. I don't know what the fuck the meta is over there, but apparently traps are heavy. They got Hey Trunade. This is better card. I don't get it, but okay. Also, Twin Twister should be, to talk about that, Twin Twisters should have been Hey Trunades because they're just so much better. Abyss Dweller, oh no, this is for the Pin Magician, huh? Never mind. Abyss Dweller, that's a weird side deck called Geki. 3 Mind Control, okay, I don't know what that's for. 3 Evenly Match, okay, Massively Strict, I'm assuming for the True Draco matchup. But here we don't have True Dracos, so that's fine. And then 3 Anti-Cohaven. I mean, we have them, but they're just not that good right now. And then, so yeah, that's the deck that just topped YCS this weekend. Got first place. I don't like it. There's a lot I would change. I would cut the Kaijus. I would cut the Eva. I would cut Held of Orange Light. Play fucking Ghost Soaker. Like, Ghost Soaker is so much better. It's not... The reason he's saying Held of Light is to make Eva work. But if you have to play Brick to make a Bricky card work, then it's not good. Play more Chalice names. Play Rabbits. Play 2 to 3 Exodius. Like, that card is really good. Take out the Kaijus for 3 Exodius. The 4 Kaijus. Add 2 Exodius. Add a Beckoning. I can't even think on top of my head how to do this. Take Held Light out. Play Ghost Ogres. I don't know. Take out most of these spells. It's supposed to be a monster heavy deck, so. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to anything in the caption below. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. This is Jinzo. Signing out. Bye.